Welcome back guys to another video. So I'll be showing you guys how to trade support and resistance levels effectively, and I took a trade on VS5 index by only selling on a resistance level. So how did I take this sell opportunity, and what's my market analysis? How did I get this resistance level that I sold on? So we'll be looking into all of that in today's video. If you're new to the channel, please do to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. You guys are really contributing to the growth of the channel, and let's do more, guys. So VS5 index, basically I sold at this zone. So firstly, what I did is that I went to the higher time frame, basically, to identify the market direction, to identify the overall market trend, and you can see that the market is going to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows basically at this point. So the market got to this zone and created these higher lows, which is a bullish structure. And these higher lows that the market created, as this particular zone, the market gave us this buy up to this our level. So I had in mind that there was a level of resistance at this point. I did not pick our trend resistance, because on trend lines we have our resistance trend, our support trend. So we have this level as our resistance trend, as well as this horizontal level that we had, horizontal resistance. So I saw this level, I saw the market move to this zone, so I had to identify it, which I did at this point. So I identified our resistance level, and I had in mind that there would be a market reaction at this zone. So on how we got the buy off, I actually had in mind that there would soon be a sell-off in the market. Like, I was expecting a sell-off in the market because the market would be approaching a resistance level. So I identified my structures and my levels on the daily time frame. So I went to the 4-hour time frame and saw that we had this reversal formation. We had the market creating this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, which is a head and shoulders pattern, a reversal formation. And on every reversal formation, there's always a neckline, as I do state. So we had the neckline, which I identified at this point. So we had this bearish reversal formation, the market creating this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, which I identified. Like, I saw this formation, and I had in mind that there was a neckline, like there was a neckline of this formation, and I spotted it, and I spotted the neckline. So I waited for the market to give us a break out of this our neckline that gave us this sell-off to this our trend support. This our trend support. The market got to this point, gave us this build up, this inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a reversal formation as well. We had the market creating this left shoulder here, the head and the right shoulder, and inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal formation. And at this point we got this head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish formation. So we had this our support level. The market have been buying off from this zone, buying off from here, finally gave us a breakout of this our level. And whenever a support level is broken, it turns to resistance. So we had this our level as a resistance because the market broke below it, and the market has been trading below this our level. So I waited for the market to give us a move to this our level. I did not put our trend resistance and our horizontal resistance. So I didn't just sell on the approach of this our level. I waited for confirmations as this our zone before taking the sells. I also identified this our neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal formation. You can see the pattern produced this buy, like it produced this bullish move, and we'll be having our take profit level at this zone. So I went to the 1-hour time frame to look out for my entry zone, get a nice entry point. I saw the market was creating this exhaustion, because we have seen the market give us this long-term buys, this long-term bullish move to this our zone, this our resistance level, and I already identified this level as a zone I'll be expecting a market reaction. So the market gave us this bullish move. So it came to this point and started, like, the bullish pressure reduced. The market started accumulating, like there was an accumulation of bearish power as this zone. I saw this as a price action movement. So I identified this level, but I went to lower time frame to see clearly what this formation looks like. I went to the 15-minute time frame, and when I zoom out on the chart, I can see that this formation was actually a reversal formation, but it was moving in a choppy way. Like, the formation was kind of choppy, like there was an exhaustion of this our buying pressure at this point. Kind of the bears were accumulating their selling power to push the market to the downside, which they did. So my interest was to ride the sells because I've seen the structure and I've seen my levels, which I mapped out. So my interest was to ride the sells because I've seen the formation and that. So I went to the, so I saw this structure. The market was creating this reversal formation. The market created this left shoulder at this point. The market created a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. So I saw this formation and I identified it. I had in mind that there would soon be a breakout of this our level. I also saw that this formation was an ascending channel, like a rising wedge. So I had to also identify it. The formations were just very formations, very structure and reversal structures. So I took note of these formations. So I waited for the market to give me a nice candlestick formation as this point to take the sells. So I went to the 5-minute time frame and saw that the market gave us this build up at this point, then accumulated at this zone. So how I saw this strong bearish candle that preceded this bullish candle that covered up this bullish candle, I had in mind that yes, there would soon be a breakout, and is like the bears has finally decided to break out of this our structure. So I sold on the consolidation. I sold on the consolidation. You can see the market broke to the downside, but on the 15-minute time frame, I entered on a candlestick formation. I entered on the candlestick pattern. You can see that we had this bearish engulfing candle that's covered up this bullish engulfing candle, which is a nice candlestick reversal formation. And what followed up was this pin bar. So I took the sells at this zone, and you can see the market sold to the downside. So this is just applying the basic knowledge in trading, selling on the resistance levels and buying on the support levels. But before you buy on these zones, you have to wait for confirmation. So our take profit level will be at this point. You are still expecting more sells to this our zone, so looking out for a good buy opportunity from this level to the upside. Looking out for a good buy opportunity if the market can come to this zone, and watch closely on price action at this level for a good buy, because you have seen that this level has been respected in the past as a resistance, because the market has been respecting these our levels. The market has always sold from this our level. Whenever the market approaches this zone, it sells up. So you can see how the market has been selling from this our zone, which I identified. So finally the market broke out of this level. Whenever a resistance level is broken, the high chance of the market holding back as a support, and so we're expecting the market to give us, expecting a reaction on this, on the market's approach to this our zone. A buy trade, a good buy opportunity. We're watching closely on price action at this our level. So that's how to look at opportunities using the basic trading knowledge of support and resistance. So that will be it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the smash like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.